Umabante ang dalawang koponan sa susunod na round ng 2024 NBA Playoffs. Kung anong mga teams yan, alamin sa ulat ni Rafael Bandayrel.
Pasok na sa round 2 ng NBA Playoffs ang Indiana Pacers at New York Knicks matapos nilang isara ang kanilang mga serye ngayong Biyernes. Kinumpleto ng 6th seed Pacers ang upset kontra 3rd seed Milwaukee Bucks sa Game 6 ng kanilang best-of-7 series. 5 miyembro ng Pacers ang pumuntos ng double digits upang sungkitin ang 120-98 na panalo. Para sa star point guard na si Tyrese Haliburton, team effort ang naging sandata ng kanilang koponan para sa larong ito.
Everybody just played the right way. I thought Obi came in and played with unbelievable energy. TJ's energy was amazing. Our bench's energy was it was flowing the whole game, honestly. I mean, at the end of the day, the 2 games we lost in this series, they dictated the pace. And the games that we won, we dictated it. So we just knew that we were going to have to come out and be aggressive. And whether that, I think their switching kind of slowed us down in Game 5. And we didn't wait to see what they were going to do. It didn't really matter what they were going to do. We just attacked.
Matagumpay rin na lumusot sa Eastern Conference Semifinals ang New York Knicks matapos nilang talunin ang Philadelphia 76ers 118-115. Mainit ang naging simula ng New York sa first quarter matapos pumalo ang kanilang kalamangan sa 22 points. Pero di naman nagpadaig ang Sixers na nagawang bawiin ang abante pagdating ng halftime. Muling rumatsyada ang opensa ng Knicks sa fourth quarter. Sa kabila ng pagsusumikap ng Sixers na muling burahin ng kalamangan, naubusan na sila ng oras at tuluyan ng naitakas ng Knicks ang panalo. Pinangunahan ni Jalen Brunson ang kanyang koponan nang gumawa ng malahalimaw na 41 points at 12 assists.
Just like the way we just kept fighting, and I think that's what we've been talking about all year, is just make sure we keep fighting no matter what. It doesn't matter what the situation is, we're going to sit together, we're going to fight.
Dahil dyan, kasado na ang serye sa pagitan ng New York at Indiana na magsisimula sa Lunes, oras sa Pilipinas. Rafael Bandayrel para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.